Hello?
Hey, Russian! Where them call police for?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, me didn't know this about me, you know. Not that I'm psychic or anything like that, but it is just common sense. If subject A is not supposed to be on a cell phone in his location, and subject A was actually on a cell phone with subject B at a whole different location, then of course the authorities are going to swoop in and try to investigate the matter, which is exactly what going on. So people, after Russian live stream which allegedly featured Vybz Kartel went viral, it reached the authorities and them decide to go do a search of Kartel cell and the whole entire block. Alright, so news came out this morning that a cell phone, well, couple cell phones was actually found on the block and there was a search of Vybz Kartel's cell. You understand? So people are this over there right now. Right? Now, since that come out, a whole heap of people, right, I send out memes and all of them things there. Yo, I tell you. So, yo, one of the memes them say, Vybz Kartel, we hear say you did dip on a live stream with Russian last night. What you have to say about that?
That sounds so paradoxical and strange.
So Adi, how you explain people saying you them here on a live stream?
Obviously, it's some artists who have come up with these rumors, and the people who are running with it are already anti-Gaza fans.
So Mr. Officer, Kartel has spoken. Obviously, it is some anti-Gaza fans are trying to set him up. See, so nobody gonna read himself too much. Yo, people, take a listen to what this officer had to say in regards to this whole thing.
Okay, well, what I would like to say is that it was brought to my attention this morning. Based on that, I believe certain actions were necessary. One of which would be an immediate search to see if, in fact, such an instrument is where it's alleged to be. So a search is on the way, but even outside of that, an investigation will follow as to the truth of the matter. So
now let's take a listen to the official news report that was released this morning via Nationwide News. Nationwide News understands that a mobile phone was allegedly found this morning in the prison cell of incarcerated dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel. Kartel has been trending on social media since last night. Several people have alleged that he joined an Instagram live feature which was being streamed by a popular dancehall producer. Commissioner of Corrections, retired Lieutenant Gary Rowe, spoke to the news center earlier this morning. Mr. Rowe confirmed that a search of Kartel's cell was underway. During the search this morning by the authorities, 2 other phones were allegedly found in the cells of inmates at the correctional facility. So people talk to me down below in the comment section. What do you feel like? It was really Kartel? And boy, I don't know. I hope the Kartel never really have no cell phone in himself. Still, I'm just saying. Eh? Alright then, talk to me down below people. Let me know what you think about this whole situation. Now, on a total unrelated topic. You know Wally British has been, advocating for ladies for the past couple of days, right? Wally British has been going hard because she feel like domestic abuse thing is just getting out of hand. It has already been out of hand for a very long time, but Wally British decides that she want to do something about it. So right now, Wally British is speaking out to the officer them who abuse them woman. Listen to Wally.
Now, good morning everyone. Police officers, when it comes on to you guys, I really don't even like to speak on you guys, because for number one, I respect a brother highly, or anyone who decides that to go into the police force with an intention to protect and serve. I really do respect a person who does that, because we all know the risk that police faces out there daily in the battle against crime We know it is a serious battlefield out there, so we respect anyone who decide that this is their choice of job that they're going to go into. But at the same time, I know you guys see that lately I am on domestic violence, and I am not coming off of it at this moment. Maybe somewhere down the line I may get tired of it and move on to something else. But this very moment I am still on it, and I will be on it for some time. Now, I want to say that out of all the women that has been flooding my inbox, as I said, I've been on domestic violence now for a week, and it is just devastating to really understand the level or the amount of women who are actually facing domestic violence in their homes. Now, I would want to say a good 20% of the women who is telling me their stories, I am shocked to find out that their partners in which they are going through the domestic violence situation with are police officers. And I just want to say shame on you guys. I know who are human being as well, but I want to say shame on you guys. Well, we have to understand, see, a lot of people might say 20% is small, but it's not small, because it shouldn't even be 1% at all. When a woman come into my inbox and let me know that their abuser is a police officer, to be honest, I feel like I am lost, because I feel like I don't know where to direct them for help. Because obviously we know how the thing go already. We don't have to say 40 words for it, we already know. How many women are going to be able to go to a police station to report something to another police about them fellow workers and them friend and them couple of them? Nobody now take that they report. 90%, the chances of something coming out of that is very dim. So the women who are trapped in their household with in abusive relationship, who is being abused night and day from the hands of a police, the most we can say is shame on you guys. I hope this video share, because remember we never can ban up police, you know. We are not going to be able to make them do what they do not want to do because of them quote unquote run things. You get what I say? They are the law. So if you have the law in your household abuse you, who you gonna run to? We just have to hope and pray that this video can share enough that it makes one of them might see it out there and it may touch the very core. I want to hard for know say, alright, this is not right. People remember say police officer them have them license firearms, so you know them can manipulate the woman, them threaten them, do everything. Women are out there living in fear, who are actually baby mothers. Some of them even have children. I spoke to one yesterday who was 3 child for a police officer who beat her night and day. How to deal with these women? The woman them some of the time they are there yard and pray God say they get a call some gunman killing out there. Fool cannot come in based on how una treat them in the home, and it is not right. We don't want that happen to none of uno. We don't want that happen to none of our brothers them. But understand man, uno please. We are campaigning for domestic violence to end. We are beg the good police, we know they have good cops and we know they have bad cops. The good cops them we see this, so no play blind and act like we don't know. If you never know me, I tell you personally right now, I've been on domestic violence for a week, and out of every 10 women will come to me, at least 2 of them man with them over them yard, a police officer will beat them night and day. Uno come on man, we're tired of it. We are tired of it. We are begging to find a place now on the earth to kick this demon out of uno, to make us stop being abusive and take advantage of our power towards our women. We're sick and tired of it, and we are begging to please let us stop doing that. If you don't want the woman them, make the woman them go on. Make the woman them there on the yard and don't have them a beat them, go on and beat them come. Me I tell us the whole justice system, me I tell us the yard need to shake up. Me don't want to kill me, cause me not ready for dead and me have to come to Jamaica sometime, But me don't know what me I got to do because me can't shut up and me not shut up at this point. Me not shut my mouth feel locked too tight because me woman love eat. So there and then I am not gonna do that either, and until this comes out of me and the rage and the heat come out of me for this topic, I am going to be on it. Police officers, we are begging you please, stop beat on a woman them.
Alright then, so I want to hear what Wally British have to say. Talk to me down below, people. Let me know if you don't agree with Wally British in everything what she say. Or if you don't disagree, also let me know down below. More to hear from Uno. Once your comment makes sense, then I will definitely respond to you. Watch it, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, I'm Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.